Because see the way that wrapper is, that was actually where I drop her. Now you see she'll continue turning.
Hello besties, travel with all. Our boxes are checked. Baby girl is ready for the travel. And my sweetheart also, she's ready for this long journey, guys. It's going to be a 4 hours journey. Traveling with an infant, traveling with a baby for the first time for a long period of time. Guys, you know that feeling when you left your home for more than 2 months and it's time for you to go back, and this is the first time I'm traveling with her alone. The time we came to the place we are living from, I actually came with my mom, and now I have to go back with her, leaving your house for more than 2 months. A whole lot of things, a whole lot of cleaning to do. Oh my god, everywhere was messed up. Like, I have to drop her while I go ahead and start doing something, guys. We actually reached our destination and I needed to do some cleaning, of course. So she was disturbing. I have to bring her over to the place I am to, so that she can see me while I walk, so that she won't be crying. Trust me, this girl does stay at the place. And I sweep and as well I mop at the same time. I have to take her bros away from the road so I'll be able to tidy up everywhere. Guys, it wasn't easy. Traveling for more than 4 hours or 4 hours thereabout and coming to the house to, of course, you have to do the cleaning. I was so tired from the travel, but I still have to do this, guys. I still have to. If I don't do it, who will do it for me? So I just have to, thank God that gave me the strength. I have to do this because I can't stay in the house so untidy, so very dirty. Not that dirty, but to me it's dirty. But after everything, I still have to go out because nothing is in the house. We have to go out and get something that I will eat at night. And this is the morning, guys. This is the morning time, the morning after the day we came in. And trust me, I have a whole lot of acne when I was pregnant, which I'm still struggling to get rid of. You can see those spots on my face. I'm still struggling with it. So this is the next morning. I have to take care of my baby wardrobe because I needed to unpack her own box. Okay, so this is me trying to arrange her balls. Trust me, most of these clothes she has outgrown them, so I have to. Guys, you guys did not tell me that motherhood is this difficult. I'm trying to adjust, like so many things is changing. My sleep, I no longer sleep, guys. This girl, she doesn't allow me to sleep at night, and I'm just trying to adjust. Okay, so many things. At this point, I realize I have to do, make use of this space at the top because most of these clothes she has outgrown them. She can't fit into them anymore. So that's the ones you see me trying to put them at the top so that I have a space, small space to keep the ones she's still using, the ones she can still wear. All these ones she no longer fitting. Okay, she's not bigger than them. I have to keep them up there while the ones she's still making use of, I have to drop them down. So guys, like I was saying, I'm making a whole lot of changes, the things I used to do before now that I can no longer, especially my sleep. I don't play with my sleep. But now I am playing with it. Like I'm trying to adjust. Now before now, when she was a month, 2 months, like she do sleeps. Like the first one was she was having difficulty like to sleep. But second, third month, this girl do sleep. But now, they say as they are growing, they are bringing new formats. Like she doesn't sleep anymore, and it's really affecting me. But what will I do? I have to be God by my side. I have to do it. What will I do? So I have to take care of our boys that morning, guys. We're trying to take care of our boys and arrange everything. Once she can't fit in anymore, I have to take them up there. Okay, so I'll have more space to keep the ones. Motherhood is not an easy stuff. It's sweet and at the same time it involves a whole lot of work. But so far so good. I am enjoying it and I'm super glad that I am documenting it here. Okay. I love the fact that I've decided to document my life here also. So guys, anytime you come across our video, please do not forget to like, don't forget to share. Let me know your opinion in the comment section. Okay, remember more tutorial videos are coming your way. Okay, remember I told you guys that I am doing this and also doing tutorial videos. So this is it when I was done.
Guys, because of her I have to do this. Because of her I have to do this. See how I use pillow to put around the bed. Just see the way that wrapper is. That was actually where I dropped her. Now you see she'll continue turning till she gets to that place. In a few minutes you're going to see her over there. You're going to see her over there. Meanwhile, I'm still taking care of the house, making sure that everywhere is okay. So from time to time I have to come and check what she's doing and then back to work. Motherhood is not easy. See, I told you guys in a few minutes you're going to see her there. So just that pillow that is holding that girl. If not, she may fall. That she will fall. Like it's not even up to 5 minutes from there. She migrated from there. So you see the work of this pillow now. And that will prevent her from falling.
Thank you besties for watching and see you guys in my next upload. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to share. Don't forget to leave a comment. If you're yet to join the family, kindly hit the subscribe button. Thank you.